Those of us knowledgeable about the issue of counterfeiting have long been aware of the huge growing menace that has seemingly lurked in the shadows of the collective consciousness of the public at large for some time now. Even for those who have been at the forefront of this serious threat, which the FBI dubs the crime of the 21st century, there seems to be a heightened sense of concern about how quickly this criminal activity is proliferating. It would appear now that this threat is advancing well beyond even our own dire predictions. And counterfeit drugs are now growing at an annual rate of 12 to 16%, faster even than that of the legitimate drug market. Without deterrence in place, this illicit industry will reach $126 billion by 2014. In Europe alone, regulatory authorities are seeing 5 times the amount of counterfeit medicines compared to 5 years ago. Counterfeit drugs adversely impact brands, business, our society, and our public health. The global marketplace and society's pressure on healthcare providers to deliver lower-cost solutions for high-grade care are pressuring every member of the supply chain and every government to seek savings without compromising the quality of care. The World Health Organization estimates that in Africa, 2,000 children die daily due to counterfeit drugs, which is equal to 12 children killed every 9 minutes, or the murder of 730,000 children annually.
What we do is we provide a solution for that. Through our energy dispersion and X-ray diffraction, we can tell you what's actually in that bottle is real.
The industry needs to protect public health, minimize supplier risk, protect brand reputation, and to promote the integrity of a country's or region's supply chain.
If we talk about the consumer having a need and a right to know what they're buying is real, and the business entities, the manufacturers and the distributors have a need to protect their brand and ensure the quality and integrity of the supply chain, and if we can wed those two, we not only have a great business, but it's a business for the greater good.
Billions of dollars are at stake as members of the pharma supply chain struggle to control the effectiveness and purity of their products. This situation will continue to vex the industry as new medicines are developed. The European Commission has reported that counterfeiters have become so sophisticated that often the only way to verify the authenticity of the product is through forensic analysis. The technology was developed at Rutgers University by Dr. William Mayo. He was a pioneer in developing a proprietary system using energy dispersive X-ray diffraction to authenticate material. This system harnesses X-ray diffraction by combining a unique hardware design with proprietary signature identification software.
Our technology provides a solution. It tells you exactly what's in the bottle and authenticates the contents without violating the packaging. That's far different than a track and trace technology just telling you where the product's been.
Ensuring the quality and authenticity of finished medicinal products. This technology provides superior penetration, allowing customs agents, regulatory, and suppliers to verify contents through manufacturers' packaging. The system matches the sample's diffraction pattern and compares it to the standard pattern library. The diffracted spectral patterns of crystalline substances are markedly distinct. Much like a human fingerprint, though there may be a few features that are common to both patterns, they are nonetheless very different.
Verification complete.
The technology is very easy to use. There's not a correlation between the intensity and the intricacy of the technology and the actual ease of use. We have a software program that's coordinated with that technology that any layman can use. Having a proprietary technology is wonderful. Unleashing that technology in the marketplace is a little bit more difficult. What we've done is we've partnered with pharmaceutical manufacturers and distributors to prove the efficacy of our technology. And it works. It's not safe. There are a lot of issues out there and there are a lot of problems. What we've done is recognize the fact that domestically, while only 1% of pharmaceutical product is counterfeit, abroad and in the Middle East, it's in excess of 10%. We've looked at and are talking to potential partners in the Middle East and in Europe with respect to using our molecular screening. While we provide what we feel to be a unique solution to a worldwide problem, there are many more aspects to this. It's not just what's in the bottle. It's the actual packaging itself. It's where the bottle's been. It's being able to verify where that bottle's been and having a serialization with respect to that.
The same criteria that has driven our current system will direct our future development. We will build a method for testing and verifying products, which is necessary in the daily lives of millions of people. Our mission is to examine products, ensure their integrity, and to protect the people that use them. In our view, it's a noble mission and a necessary function in people's lives.
There's an opportunity here. There's an opportunity because it's a new industry. There's an opportunity because it's a new technology. There's an opportunity because we're constantly developing that technology, and it transcends just pharmaceutical product. It's about cosmetics, it's about construction, it's about print, it's about a lot of different things. And in fact, the end user, the consumer, is the ultimate beneficiary. Rarely do you come across something where there's a technology that's unique that creates an entire industry. And when in fact that industry creates something for the greater good, that even makes it better.